been quite some time since I've made any episodes on landscape photography, and it's been quite some time since I've gone out of Bangalore. Well, I've been surrounded by, lots and lots of hills, and the nature's pretty moody as well. So let's see if I can find some composition. The fact that I'm right here, it means more than taking a photograph. So wow, and I think I have a potential composition. Well, I'll have to wait for the right kind of light, which means that I'll have to wait for some time and get a shot. But the whole view is absolutely gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. Well, I've got a very obvious composition. So it's the hill right over there, right? So I've opted for a bit of a square composition, 1:1 ratio, right? So all I'm waiting for is just a bit of light to just graze the trees which are right in front of the hill. So it creates a bit of contrast, and it gives that highlight and isolates the hill and the foreground. So yeah, waiting for that. But I like the way it is right now because it gives a bit of mood, right? So I might take a shot right now, but I'll have to wait. So I'll see which one is the best, and then probably I'll post that. Well, I would say this is like the first time I've come to a place on my bike with with my tripod and camera, because usually I prefer a car because of the safety factor it offers. What if it rains? My camera is not weather sealed. So, but yeah, coming on a bike, it was quite adventurous, and I enjoyed it a bit. And there was a bit of off-roading involved, and I don't think I would have reached this place on a car the way I did on a bike, because the roads weren't that great for driving a four-wheeler. Well, another potential composition is right over there, right over that part. So if you look at this section, right, those two trees over there stand out. They have light yellow leaves, light yellow colored leaves, and the trees which are surrounding them, they are having a darker shade of green. So when you consider that composition right there, again in a square format, those tend to have a bit of an abstract touch, right? So that can be another composition. Well, speak of composition, there is an interesting composition I found, which is having a bit of an abstract feel as well. So there's a patch of grass right over there. So I'm opting for a square composition, 1:1. Sorry, I didn't opt for a haircut during pandemic. So yeah, please bear with my hairstyle for a while. So yeah, there's a patch of grass right there, and I think that it is having an interesting pattern, right? So I think I'll take that image with a square crop as well. So I'll zoom in. Yeah, let's see how it comes. So while riding back, I happened to come across this lake, right? One thing which caught my eye is that every tree or every plant within this, this lake, it's dead. I could see a black and white picture, right, just of the dead tree. So I immediately stopped the bike. I parked in I parked next to the lake, and I think I'll take out my tripod now, and I can already see the image. Turns out that wasn't my final image. The best is yet to come. Now, as you can see, I'm standing in front of a pond here. All right. I don't think it even qualifies as a pond, but yeah, a small pond. Let's call it a small pond. Now, this pond has all these water plants, scattered all around the place. Now, the best thing about this is, since it rained a few days ago, probably yesterday, or it's been raining from past few days. I think it's mating season for dragonflies. So there are all these baby dragonflies which are blue in color, yellow in color. They're perching on these water plants, and it just looks amazing. All right, so again, I'm using my 70 to 300, all right, 70 to 300 lens, and I'm going to be taking an image of these dragonflies perching on these on these green leaves, and it's too contrasting. All right, I think it's too contrasting, and it just pops out. The green pops out, the blue color pops out, so it's going to be amazing. Recently I've been thinking about printing all of the photos which I've taken over the years, and hang it on my wall, or make my own personal gallery, photography gallery in house. So yeah, that's the plan in few days. So probably if that happens, that'll be on the vlog too. Again, thank you for supporting, thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe, and please keep supporting small time YouTubers like me. Can be really helpful. Right, thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.